With our comprehensive service and maintenance support, we aim to provide the best customer service in all regions. As we take over more international coating projects with the Thank You robot, we are getting this question from clients more often about what are the steps to ensure the operability of the Thank You system. This is very important for our customers to make sure that the robot can perform at their optimal capabilities. In order to guarantee this, we provide first and second line support. We are building a worldwide network of regional service providers that receive a comprehensive theoretical and practical training by Qlayers to make sure that they get all the knowledge to later give the best assistance to our customers. We do also help with remote support, giving answer within 24 hours via call or video call to answer questions and give technical advice from any region. For predictive analysis, we collect data and use system indicators, meaning that we have detailed reports on the status of our Thank You system. For example, this dashboard shows some of the data that we are tracking right now on one of our trailers. It shows the places where it has coded, and as you can see, it shows the mileage of the crawler, also the total paint usage and the surface coated. That means that we can calculate the life cycle of the system and when it will need preventive maintenance to guarantee the best performance on site. In the future, we are planning to use more advanced methods to provide support internationally, such as using augmented reality technology to assist our clients with troubleshooting and trainings. With our comprehensive service and maintenance support, we aim to provide the best customer service in all regions.